Augmented reality, AR, is a process by which digital elements are integrated into a real-world or live background. Businesses operate in the real world, which seems to demand real-world solutions to problems presented by employee training, the assembly of complex products, system maintenance, quality assurance, field service during high-level expertise, and so on. Yet working within real-world boundaries is time-consuming, expensive, inefficient, poses inherent physical risks to both life and property, and sets definite limits on the speed by which ideas can be translated into products. Here as elsewhere, there is tension between old ideas and new technologies. The business which clings to the mentality that real-world problems demand real-world solutions will be at a disadvantage those who recognize the inherent advantages of integrating augmented reality into the real-world business place. Here as elsewhere, a misguided sense that the old way is best, or a simple failure to grasp the advantages offered by digital integration is at the root of many business failures. Augmented reality has far-reaching benefits, which include cost reduction, risk reduction, time reduction, and improved knowledge transfer. It is extremely useful for complex assembly, maintenance, remote expert support, QA, and automation by vastly improving the efficiency of worker-job interaction. It also increases the speed by which concepts and options can be reviewed, adjusted, and modified, leading to rapid iterative design cycles and ultimately products, and helps structure and optimize the location and flow of production lines. Our technological landscape is changing. Advanced manufacturing technology, AMT, is an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to Mantech for expert knowledge of AMT and assistance with technology implementation.